Hi guys, here we are again. Welcome back to our channel. This is the new loudspeaker from Monitor Audio, the Studio 8 Night, just released. It's 2024 model. It's a bookshelf for a stand mounted loudspeaker. Monitor Audio has brought back the Studio series. It's a stereo, passive speaker. There are two here, the left and the right channel inside the box. Company has a special stand for this as well. And we're doing the unboxing. First of all, we received this envelope, a welcome letter from Monitor Audio. Then a foam. This is not ecological correct. A lot of companies lately, they are not using a foam, they are using papers for the for the packaging. And here we see the two speakers waiting for us inside. So we remove the speakers. In the box we receive two speakers, very slim as you can see, not very, but that's the studio lineup from Monitor Audio. The envelope and two beautiful speakers to unbox with the M on top. Monitor Audio. It's my favorite company, by the way, Monitor Audio. My first speakers were from Monitor Audio, and this company has a long history of manufacturing loudspeakers. More stickers here. A lot of plastic, I could say, but it's okay. High-end needs plastic. A bag inside the bag. So this is the speaker, the front and the back. You see the terminals here. It's another sticker from Monitor Audio. Very nice packaging. A second layer to protect the high quality finish that these speakers are having. They smell fresh, right out of the wood factory. So beautiful, guys, you see? Black finish. Let's do the same here with the second one. The finish is extremely good, extremely high level. So here we are. This is like a cloth here, the white cover. Underneath the speaker has the same finish, the same high gloss finish with 4 screws in order to put the stand. The stand that it comes with, the stand that has special designed. 89, guys, Studio 89. On the back we see the slots here for the bass reflex system. It goes like this, I think, back of the woofers, because these speakers, they have these configurations: 2 drivers, mid woofer driver, and 1 ribbon tweeter in the middle. So if you're familiar with the Monitor Audio, you can recognize this cone. That one as well, the driver there. You see the logo Studio 89, metallic one. On this corner, the same on the other side for this. And if we go around, we see the terminals, very huge, very big, very high end, as it should be. And these screws here are holding the woofers in place. So here I have one of the 2 stands. This is the back side. It has a cable management here to put the cable. You can adjust it, you can use elastic if you don't like the spikes, and this is the front monitor audio stand. So the best way to use the stand is to go the upside way in order to find the holes for the stand. It's more easier than going like this. Be careful not to scratch the speaker because the finish is high quality and very glossy. So we finish the job here, attach the stand. So here we are, one speaker without stand and the other with a stand. It looks beautiful, guys. I don't know what you say. It looks beautiful, and the stand is very nice designed. You see how glossy the speaker, the finish of the speaker is, reflects the image of the television. If you go down, you can see the spikes of the stand, the spikes on the stand, with the cable management on the back. So here we see the label, Studio 89, the drivers. Beautiful. So the speaker is featuring two mid-woofers, 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters, and one tweeter there, which is a PMD3 tweeter monitor audio, call it. It's a ribbon one. The sensitivity of the speaker is 86 dBs, and the frequency response is 53 to 60 kHz minus 6 dB. So after removing these two long screws that they're going from the back of the speaker to front, I mean to the back of the driver here, we can check the drivers of this beautiful speaker. We see the tweeter here, the mid-woofer, the one of the two, and the other mid-woofer. They are in one piece, in one baffle in front, like positioned and installed. So this is very nice configuration, very high-end approach, and inside we can see the crossover on the back there. But first we can see the 6 cables that are arriving here in this beautiful installation, let's say, with this chassis, strong magnets. We see the back of the cone here, like you see the hexagons there. There are technologies here that are derived from the flagship of monitor audio, the Hyphen speaker. So monitor audio applies a lot of technology in order to achieve this high level of speaker. Here it's thick one, no screws, nothing. It goes on the back here. There are no holes around here. This is a unique way. All the monitor audios loudspeakers are using this kind of technique in order to put the drivers, not to screw them, you know, with 8, 4, or whatever, how many screws, but nothing in front, no screws, just one on the back of the woofer in the center of the magnet.
The Diapolito mid-tweeter mid-arrangement of the bass drivers and the tweeter means that the acoustic center of those drive units is all aligned on the tweeter. This gives it a superb soundstage and imaging.
So we've brought over a new hexagonal design pattern which shares the same design language from Hyphen. It's acoustically open, it's transparent, and it pairs perfectly with mid-range drivers. The design isn't just on the front of the product, it's also on the back.
So guys, I think you got an idea what these speakers are about. Look at the terminals here. So guys, that's all about these monitor audios, loudspeakers. These beauties, let's say this excellent piece of art, of audio art. Thank you for watching, guys.